Have you ever felt like you were finally winning on the outside? Maybe you got the job, the house, or the breakthrough you prayed for, but on the inside, you still felt completely empty or anxious? We often think that peace and gratitude are reactions to what we receive. We tell ourselves, once I get that thing, then I'll be thankful. But what if I told you that gratitude isn't a reaction to what you receive, but a recognition of what you already have? Today, we're diving into a powerful message about why we are too blessed to not be thankful and how the speed of your life might be blinding you to the blessings already in your hands. Most of us live in a state of reactionary gratitude. If something big happens, we praise. If something new shows up, we feel blessed. But in Psalms 103, David doesn't ask God for something new. He tells his own soul to forget not all his benefits. This message points out that the enemy's job is simple. If he can't stop God from blessing you, he will try to blind you so you never see it. He attacks your memory, your focus, and your perspective. Think about it. Why is it that our painful memories are often more vivid than our good ones? We remember the mean coworker more than the joy of having the job. That's a targeted attack on your memory to control your mood. To break this, we have to move from waiting for a reaction to practicing recognition. One of the biggest thieves of recognition is busyness. Are you living so fast that you never pause to process? Like in the story of Mary and Martha. Martha wasn't in sin. She was just busy. She was doing a good thing, but she was moving at a pace that caused her to miss the God moment. Are you rushing from one answered prayer straight into the next problem? When you do that, you move from breakthrough to battle without ever stopping to refuel. You're overworking your peace. Like an athlete with runner's knee, you might be overworking your patience and your spirit because you're carrying responsibilities without giving yourself time for recovery. When we don't recover, we start to cope. We all have coping mechanisms. Some are harmless, like playing a video game or going for a walk, and some are harmful. But here is the deeper truth. A coping mechanism is just a strategy your soul adopts to survive a season. It was never meant to live in permanently. It's a bridge to get you through pain, but it becomes a burden when it becomes a lifestyle. If we don't heal what hurt us, we will normalize what numbed us. If you find yourself substituting prayer with scrolling or substituting connection with isolation, you're getting relief, but you aren't getting restoration. Relief is temporary. Restoration is what actually fixes the soul. So how do we fix this? We have to slow down. Slowing down isn't about doing less, it's about doing what matters with more intention. It's about refusing to live at a pace that constantly outruns your peace. I want to challenge you this week to find breathing room. 4, spiritually, find an hour where the phone is off and you let God speak. Emotionally, give yourself space to actually feel. It's okay to admit that some things hurt. 3, practically, choose priorities over pressure. When your soul catches up with your schedule, everything comes back into focus. Your gratitude, your creativity, and your faith. You are too blessed to be this stressed. Take a moment right now, look back at what God has already done, and just say thank you for the things you've been ignoring. If this message helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more encouragement, and comment below. My soul is catching up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.